Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you. We'll be showing you how to make these mouth-watering cherry and lemon scones. These scones are great as a tea time treat or just as a nice breakfast. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to take a large mixing bowl, and to that we're going to sieve in 225 grams or 8 ounces of self-raising flour. Next then we're going to add a pinch of salt and 25 grams or 1 ounce of caster sugar, and now we'll add 25 grams or 1 ounce of softened butter, and using cold hands rub together until it forms like a breadcrumb consistency. And now it's time to add our star ingredients. So first of all, we're going to add the zest of 2 small lemons, and then 125 grams or 4.5 fluid ounces of mixed glacé cherries. Then we'll give those a good stir around just to combine them all evenly. Now we'll take approximately 150 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces of milk, and we're going to gradually pour in the milk until it forms a soft dough. You might not need all the milk, so as I say, just do it gradually. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below so as I know what other videos you would like me to make. So now that the dough is ready, we're just going to take a board and we're going to lightly dust it with some flour and add the dough on top. This will prevent the dough from sticking. Now we're going to knead the dough, and we're going to do it to remove any cracks. Take the dough, and using a rolling pin we're going to lightly roll it out to the thickness of 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches. Now lightly dust a flat baking tray with some flour to prevent the scones from sticking. And using the cookie cutter, cut the scones and place them onto the baking tray, leaving some space in between for each one to rise. Now brush the top of each scones with the remaining milk to give them a beautiful glaze, and for an extra touch of sweetness or in a gorgeous colour, just sprinkle some brown sugar over the glazed scones. Now it's time to bake these scones. So we're going to preheat your oven to 210 degrees centigrade or 425 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 7, and bake the scones for 10 to 15 minutes just until they have risen and are golden brown. Now once the scones are baked, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool on a wire rack for about 5 or 10 minutes. This helps the scone maintain the texture and ensure they're not too hot to handle. Now, I like to serve mine. Serve with some Kerrygold butter, just melt it over the top when they're slightly warm. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for cherry and lemon scones. If you did, again please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and watch to the end for further videos.